and did some decoration already. With the truffles, is I was going to do the chocolate almond fudge as well, but I was like, I don't know if that's actually going to look good. So I gave this a whirl, and it did look good. But let's see what else we are going to do with it. Look at this little mini cake. Oh, that's funny with the truffles on top. Okay, so I was literally just going to put a little bit of coconut and then maybe some of these rose petals on it and call it a day. Call it a day. Let's see. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Okay. Looking pretty good. Oh yeah, because I was thinking the rose petals matches the raspberry and the dragon fruit, so I thought it would look kind of pretty. Even though I don't know that it would lend to the flavor very well, but let's see here. All right. So I think that's it for the decorations. And there it is. We've got the keto, cashew, coconut, cake, y'all. I do not expect this to taste amazing, just due to what I did with the crust and the fact that it's sugar-free, but it could be a pretty decent option. Okay, so it's got a nice texture as I cut into it. I'm gonna go ahead and and the knife is like super clean. The great thing about this is once you've made it once, you know, you kind of know how what to do, the general idea of it, and you're so much more confident and competent like the next time you do it. That's the thing with cooking. It's all about experimentation and doing it over and over. It's actually kind of butterscotchy. All right, here we go. Taste test. Like almost like a peanut butter fudge. And then I'm trying to think of what the crust, a little bit like halva maybe? Dry like halva. Kind of like that sesame halva. So interesting. I actually like it way more than I thought I would. Very different. And the contrast is literally like, I'm trying to, not really like the inside of a Twix, because, no, or a Butterfinger. A little bit though, a little drier, not as moist. And it doesn't have like that super odd stevia aftertaste. And I'm glad I put a little bit more of the monk fruit. Well, there you go. Pleasantly surprised. Pleasantly surprised with my final cake. There it is. Tart turned into a cake. Keto, sugar-free. Thanks for being with me on this journey, and there will be a lot more creations to come. Bye.